My name is Dr. Barami. I studied medicine in Germany, practiced medicine in Germany as well as in the United States. I came here in India to get the hair transplant. I decided to see first India as well as do the transplantation. As an American citizen, I needed a visa, so the IndiCure company helped me to get visa very easily. That was medical tourism visa. And when I got the visa and I decided to come here to New Delhi, and I came to the hospital. I met my surgeon. He explained to me what to expect and the first day, draw some blood and do the pre-op medical exam, physical, and also the lab work. Everything went well. And the next day, doctor showed me that I may have some pain, but the transplant was so good and so high standard that I didn't have even any pain, and I didn't use any painkiller. The process was very easy for me and very comfortable to be here in the hotel and also patient in the hospital. I had previous hair transplant somewhere else, but when I compare that, I found that here much higher standard. The medical system was very satisfying for me. The procedure was very easy, high standard, and I really enjoy being in India. And I will do some traveling in India, doing India, New Delhi, and also I will go to see Patna and Agra and Jaipur, and I might fly to Mumbai. So I really enjoy. I will recommend to anybody who wants to see sightseeing as well as hair transplant. Here is the best place. I found excellent surgeon and excellent people here, very friendly. The food is very good, hotel was very good, and I really enjoyed everything here. And I'm proud and I'm very glad I made this decision to come here to India. And I will not regret it, and I will recommend this to anybody